Hi, I'm Julie from Peaceful Place Organizers. Just wanted to talk a bit about confidentiality. It is in the Organizers Code of Ethics as dictated by the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals, which of course my company is a member of, that all client information is to be kept confidential. So that means that myself and my team members who organize for the company do not ever give any kind of identifying information about our clients to anyone outside the company ever for any reason. Many people are ashamed of the situation that they're living in, and they're afraid that if they have people come in to help, that we're going to blab all over town about what a big mess was in their house. And I can tell you that unless you're in the tiny minority of our clients, like maybe 5%, your particular mess isn't really that interesting to us. We see a lot every day, and you might be really caught in a shame spiral about everything, but to us, it's just another day at work. We're happy to help you. We respect confidentiality at all times.